Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Tor Browser on Rocky Linux. Okay, first open default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor official website, that is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser, both are same. Then select download for Linux. Then see, download started and its size is 118 megabytes. Wait until download completes. It is zip file. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. Now untar this file, tar-exf, then tar. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See, here we have the Tor Browser folder. Go to that. cd tar browser, hit enter. Now we have to run this start tar browser.desktop. Don't give sudo or don't run with root account. /start, press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, we got the Tor browser. Okay, now click on connect, or if you want to always connect automatically, turn on this one and click on connect. See, it is establishing a connection. See, you have successfully connected, and also see here default search engine for Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser on Rocky Linux. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.